Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will talk about waste paper recycling. We can start from the importance of waste paper recycling analysis. And let people pay attention to the role of community waste paper recycling. In the background parts, we can see both two countries, China and Malaysia. In the China, Express process 40 billion pieces, and the number of packaging boxes is around 14.3 billion per year. 1 million tons of paper consumption per year. In Malaysia, the recycling rate of waste paper is around 40%, and the 250,000 tons of newsprint a year, only 100,000 are recovered from the waste stream.
The recycling of paper are very important because it can give many positive impact to the nature. It can maintain natural resources such as tree and water, save energy and free up land space. Did you know 17 ground trees, 30,000 liters of water, 300 liters of gasoline are used to make 1,000 of paper. It is very huge number of resource that needed to make a paper. The recycling paper also may reduce dependency on curtain industry toward the tree resource. Recycling may provide about 60% of the resource required by paper cardboard industry. Hence, there are many industries that can reduce their dependency toward the tree resource from a recycling paper. Then, the other effect of recycling paper is can recover the environment from the pollution and also the excessive use. Paper recycling result in 74% of decrease in gas emission and 35% in water pollution.
So now we come to the execution of our project. Basically, we are doing three things: design posters, collect waste paper from our neighbors, and set recycle bins in community. We realized that we need to change citizens' opinion about recycling. We need to make sure that people in our community realize the importance of recycling. Then they will be more motivated. Collecting waste paper by ourselves is the most direct and effective way to achieve the goal of our project. However, if we want our project to be sustainable, it is not enough. So the most important part of our project is to set recycle bins in community. This action will make our project ongoing in the future, and it also makes people in our community feel responsible for the waste paper that they produced.
The question that would be asked here is, are the outcomes of our project have met our expectation or not? The answer would be yes. As our efforts have succeeded in spreading awareness among our neighbors, the residents, and also our community. The paper also recycling project has no longer been just an idea. It is now implemented weekly or constantly, as the used papers collected and also sent to the Get Wild company constantly and weekly. Our condominiums also administrations agreed to the suggestion that we made, which is to make use of the unused recycle bins, and also advises the residents to throw the used papers there regularly. You can see how the administrations of our condominium has cooperated with us by making use of the recycle bin, and how also we tried as much as possible to spread awareness among the residents. Here you can see how we constantly implementing our project, starting from our home, neighbors, collecting papers also from the nearby schools, and then after that sending it to Get Wild company SD and Berhad. After that, whatever income we generate from the company or from this project, we also use it in investing in our project.